In the world of construction, speed is essential. From towering skyscrapers to intricate road networks, the efficiency of construction machinery plays a pivotal role. Here are the top 10 fastest construction machines revolutionizing the industry. Bulldozer, equipped with powerful engines. Excavator, with hydraulic systems and advanced controls. Crane, towering above the skyline. Cranes can travel at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Velocity paver, laying down roads with remarkable efficiency. Turbo forklift, swiftly transporting materials across the site. Thunderbolt excavator, digging at an unprecedented pace. Swift mixer, rapidly blending concrete for seamless pouring. Tunnel borer, carving through rock and soil with precision. Speedy skid steer loader, maneuvering through tight spaces effortlessly. Blitz bulldozer, clearing obstacles with lightning speed.